Whoa. Okay, I was totally not expecting that hair change. She went with like this really cute, chic orange bob style. The color's almost like this really pretty, like sherbet orange. Wow. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is so cute, chic, and trendy. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have another long to short hair change. So the stylist does a big chop here. Looks like she's getting a bob. Adding in some color. Ooh, beautiful face framing highlights. Gorgeous dimension on that color. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Ooh, she went blonde with some layers. Wow, she looks absolutely breathtaking. I love this color. Very nice. So pretty. She kind of reminds me of Jessica Simpson. Next up, we see someone with very long, dark hair. So we already know that this particular stylist does a lot of color changes. So let's see what the client ends up doing. Ooh, wow, this is absolutely beautiful. This is like the perfect shade of copper. She also got some layers put in as well. Wow, she looks like a completely different person. Oh, so beautiful. I absolutely love this hair shade. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you with this last cold wave hair transformation.